outfit of the day. We have our work overalls, this Farm Fresh Peaches crop top, and then for some protection we have this one cowboy hat. And then because I am putting together my tiller, doesn't seem too crazy. There's like not that many parts, so we shall see. Okay, honestly that was really easy. So now I'm gonna drag my extension cord out there and I guess we'll give it a go. Okay, I thought before I started tilling I might want to try to do some of this fencing. I just got some of these stakes. I don't have any spikes on the end, so I'm gonna go get a rubber mallet and or a hammer to try to put this in. Okay, so I was rolling this stuff out to see how big I can go basically with this garden. Also update, these actually do have spiky bits, so that's good. I got a few in for this side, but just trying to gauge how big I can make it. Okay, I ended up using some of the extra wire to like tie that to the fence before I started doing the stakes. I'm about halfway through. I'm gonna leave this side partially, like I'm just gonna tie it to the fence too, so then that way that'll be where I'll come into the garden at. There's our berry bushes at the end there. I wanted to include them just in case, but that was like plenty of fence and posting. Is it gonna be like, you know, the most durable ever? No, but it'll probably keep out some rabbits from eating what I have planned for in here. And I even had some extra posts left, so that's good. I brought the other stuff in here just because I want to make sure that I save room for it. And then I left this side undone so I can get in and out, and I tried to make sure I had enough space that I could take like the little trolley and my tiller and all of that. I have some wire over there in the box that I'm going to use to secure it. I'm taking a break and just using that same cup that I had my coffee in earlier, just making some stevia lemonade to kind of cool down and take a little break, and then I'm gonna head out with the tiller. Okay, so we've done once, kind of up and down, mostly just to kind of tear up the grass, and now I'm going back over it, back and forth, and I'm really noticing quite a bit of difference. I'm hoping all these die off now that they're chopped up. Okay, it's been about 2 hours, and I've went over it, like I said, this way and this way. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna let it set for maybe a day or two, make sure all that stuff dies off. I may go ahead and buy some potting soil as well, just to put on the top, just give it a nice layer with a lot of nutrients, and then go from there. Okay, so I went through with the rake, kind of raked up a lot of the roots and leafage. I just put it over on the fence line, maybe it'll help keep critters out on that side too. Yeah, pulled up like roots, some of the roots. I'll have to get my little trowel and do, but my hands were getting sore, so I'm tired, so time to call it a quit.